guys, it's Leah and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be doing a week in my braid outs. I believe I've done a week in my twist out video before, so I will link that down below. But if you missed this specific braid out, I used my Goddess Curls new Enchanting Moisture Cream and Divine Hair Elixir to get these beautiful, soft, shiny, moisturized, and defined curls. So I'll link that tutorial down below. But yeah, this is first day hair, so check that out so you can see how I achieved it. But now we're gonna get on to second day hair. I totally forgot to show you guys nighttime. Well, I didn't even forget. I didn't plan to do this video, but my hair looks so good. I was like, you know what? Let me do it. So this is second day hair. I slept with my bonnet, and yeah, this is what it's looking like. I did fluff it out, but I wanted to show you how you can quickly like refresh your curls with the product you last used. So my curls, honestly, they look just fine, but there were a few frizzy pieces in the front. So I'm taking my Enchanting Moisture Cream just a little bit on my fingers and then just twirling it down whichever strand of hair I feel like needs some rejuvenation. And yeah, it's really quick and simple, you guys. I know my hair looks white right now, but once it dries, you know, it doesn't dry this way, it will disappear. But since I was filming another video, I did just take my diffuser to that part of my hair so that I could get rid of the white pieces, and it literally took like 1 minute. So yeah, this is just a quick way to make those curls pop. Also add a little bit more moisture wherever you need it. So that is just a quick tip. But I am going to show you what the nighttime routine is that I did throughout the week to keep, you know, the curls looking good. And then I'll show you what I do in the morning. So second day hair looked amazing, but it is nighttime now, and I'm just taking this bonnet. I'm going to first pull my hair like out of my face. Then I'm going to obviously put the bonnet right on top, and then I'm just going to position my hair. I like to position it away from my face and try to lay it down nice and as flat as possible, just so that like no random spots bunch up. And I don't know, I'm just real particular about my hair. You don't have to be all extra like me. You can just pop the thing on, but I just like to do that, y'all. So yeah, I'm going to do that. Make sure it's up under there nicely, and then I'm going to just secure it with the little drawstring thing. I'm gonna go to bed. And with this, I can sleep on the back of my head, I can sleep on the sides of my face, and I wake up and my hair is just fine. So I am going to be working on getting some Goddess Curls bonnets. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Alright, you guys, so this is the next day. This will be third day hair. I'm taking the bonnet off, and y'all, I did not realize how tight the bonnet was on my head. Like, I didn't have a headache, it didn't feel tight, but clearly I have a huge indentation. Yeah, so I'm just going to continue on like I normally would. So once I take my bonnet off in the morning, I shake my hair. I shake it like crazy. I shake it hard. I know it looks crazy, but that's just to get the hair out of that bonnet form, loosen up the curls again. I take my hands and kind of fluff it and try to shape it again. But I am going to drop my girls off, and then I'm gonna wait until this indentation goes away so I can finish showing you how I refresh it. The distance with you, 'cause it's been a long time since Alright, so about 3 hours later, it finally went away. So I'm just taking some of my Eco Style gel just to touch up my edges. So I'm gonna fast forward through that, do that real quick, and then I'm gonna focus on the hair. So I'll give you a try, and if you do me right, then boy, you know you got me. If you get it right. So I took my Divine Hair Elixir and I added it to my scalp because it's recommended to use it 2 to 3 times a week. But y'all, I had applied it to my scalp, gave myself a scalp massage, and I wasn't filming. So right here, I'm just showing y'all again what I do. I put the little dropper in my head just to moisturize my scalp, and it has great ingredients that also help promote hair growth. So yeah, gotta make sure I do that and be consistent with it. But then I have some oil on my hands as well, and I'm just going to use my hands again to fluff. Like, I know I have hair picks and combs and things, but sometimes I don't even need them. I just use my fingers. So that is what I did for third day hair. Real quick, real simple. You guys can see it's nice and defined. It still has moisture. The volume was great. Like I showed you, for second day hair, if I wanted to, I could go in and refresh curls, but I didn't have nothing to do and I felt like it looked fine. So alright, so this is fourth day hair. I didn't show y'all the nighttime routine because it's pretty darn simple. Just put your hair in a freaking bonnet. But yeah, this is fourth day hair. I still had a little bit of indentation. I don't know why these bonnets be so freaking tight. But yeah, shaking my hair like crazy, y'all. Don't be afraid to shake your head. Loosen up those curls. Then I am, again, gonna take some oil to my hands and just fluff my hair with my hands. I did go in on one side with my hair pick just to kind of stretch that part out. But yeah, this is fourth day hair. Again, I did not refresh it. You can if you feel you need to or want to, but the curls were still looking good. The moisture was still holding on too, so that's always good. So yeah, this is fourth day hair. Real, y'all, it's so simple. Alright, so this is fifth day hair, y'all. I did not sleep with the bonnet the night before. I got lazy. I'm not gonna lie, I got lazy. But surprisingly, I woke up and it looked like this. It wasn't smushed or anything. Like, it still looked pretty darn decent. So just going in and using my hands again to kind of just separate and fluff and shape it the way that I like. Now, by this day, my hair is starting to lose its moisture. It's not like completely dried out, but it definitely is not feeling how it was on the first day. But I mean, obviously that's going to happen. And also I do want to mention, y'all, that a big part in preserving your hair is not only the nighttime routine, but it's using products that are going to keep the long lasting moisture, you guys. So if you used a product that really didn't have good ingredients or didn't really moisturize your hair as much as like it could have on the first day, then your hair is not going to last. Doesn't matter if you preserve it or not. So making sure you're moisturizing your hair with the right products, properly moisturizing it to the way that your hair likes to be moisturized, because everybody does different steps and all that. All of that is so important. But yeah, this is fifth day hair. Alright, so this is sixth day hair. Again, I did not sleep with my bonnet. And excuse me wearing the same shirt, y'all. I hadn't just showered yet. I filmed this right before I showered, so yeah, don't judge me. But yeah, the hair, the definition is holding up so well, you guys. Like, for 6 day hair, I feel like I still have a good amount of definition. Now, my hair, again, is starting to dry out now, but I didn't have anything to do this week, so I really didn't care to moisturize it or anything. So I am just showing you that once you get to like 5th, 6th, or even 7th day, however long you can stretch it, day hair, you can start styling it to stretch it even longer. So you can put it in a half up, half down. You could throw it into a puff and just spritz some water, maybe add a little bit of hair cream, whatever the heck you need to do. You can even retwist or rebraid so that you can prolong the hairstyle and also don't have to rewash. Like, there's so many ways that you can preserve a style, but I was just showing you like what I would do. I would typically put it up in a puff or something to stretch it out a few more days. But now, last but not least, this is 7th day hair. Again, did not sleep with my bonnet. If I would have slept with my bonnet for the last couple days, it may have helped retain a little bit more moisture. But yeah, my hair it's dry. I definitely feel like I want to re-moisturize it, so I'm just going in, shaking my hair and spraying some water at the same time just to add some type of hydration. Then I am going to take a few drops of my oil, put that on my hands, and just kind of fluff and add that oil to seal in that water. And this is just gonna hold me over for like the next day until I decide what I'm gonna do. So I had something planned that I wanted to do, and I just wanted a fresh head of hair. So I am going to just wash my hair and all that. But if I wasn't, this would be going in a puff or a bun. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. This is 7 days in my braid out, 7 days in my hair. Let me know down below how you guys preserve your hair, your curls at night, your favorite technique, how long you can get your hair to last. Yeah, just let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Oh, and don't forget to go to www.goddessscurls.com. Pick up the Enchanting Moisture Cream if you want your hair to be moisturized and defined and all that good stuff. And our Divine Hair Elixir. But I'll see you guys in another video.